So yeah, this is that spot we used to come to, and now it's like a marsh. It's like a bog. Look at all these trees. It's like this all the way down that way, that way. I'm not even gonna go across, man. It gets pretty. Roush Gap will have to be another time. It's kind of cool, man, but it's not cool for getting across. Can't beat the Bullfrogs. Wow. Yeah. This was all green and like a grove. The little creek down there where she is. Maybe 5 feet across, 4 feet. I don't know. Maybe less.